In this video, I will show you how to create rectangle shape in CapCut. So there's two methods to follow. The first method, you can use a text. So go to this text, drag the text, go to this option and delete all the text, and type in a full stop. After you type in a full stop, now increase the font size. So increase the size. So by increasing the size, now it gives you another shape as you can see now, like this one. So now you get this shape. So you can go ahead now and use it for your rectangle. So the second method to create the shape, now delete the text. So go to this media and import image. So make sure the image you imported has the color of the rectangle you want to use. So let's say I want to use a black rectangle or white. So my image has the white and the black. So next thing to do, select the image, go to crop. So from this option, go and crop a position where you want to use. So let's say I want to use the white. I'll just take this option to the white section. So I'll just take it to the white section like this. So after I take it to the white section, now I'll just go ahead now and use the white. Or if I want to use the black, I'll just take it to the black. I want to use this black section. Just click on this confirm button. So from there, now you get a black rectangle. Go to this video, basic, and take this scale to back. So here it will give you the option. So scroll to down and turn off this option, uniform scale. So turn off this uniform scale. So here you can get option now to just resize the shape like this as you can see now. And that's it guys on how to create a shape in CapCut. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.